The city of Redbud, Illinois is home to one of America's leading steel processors. Since 1992, the Material Works, TMW, has been receiving large coils of steel from steel mills and processing them into smaller coils and stacks of dimensionally precise flat steel sheets. These are shipped to manufacturers who use them to build everything from cars to combines. In its 2 Redbud plants, TMW workers use special steel processing equipment, costing tens of millions of dollars to perform this challenging work. And they do it to the industry's highest standard of quality. In addition to processing steel, TMW also operates a technology division that researches and develops new award-winning steel processing equipment that is used around the world. The Lord God has blessed TMW with an exceptional group of employees. They are faithful, hardworking, resourceful, and they always think and act as a team. That's important because it's not always easy work, but it is very rewarding work.
My name is Preston, and I've been a crane operator at the Material Works for about 1.5 years. I love the environment around me, like all the people. You can get along with anybody. I like my supervisors a lot. You know, they treat me really well. Oh, I definitely think that TMW's management cares about their employees. You know, they're always taking care of them, making sure they're staying hydrated. They get us Gatorade. It's probably my favorite part. I love that Gatorade. If someone was wanting to come to TMW and get employed, I would definitely recommend, being ready to be on work on time, giving it your all, being at your best.
I'm Susie Harms. I am an account exec at the Material Works, and I've been there for 22 years. Before I applied to TMW, I had no idea what they did. I just knew that it was something in the steel industry, but I had no idea whatsoever what it was. So when I applied and within a week started working there, I had to learn a lot about steel, how it's cut, how the orders are processed, etc. But it's pretty fascinating what we do. TMW, it's different from other jobs because it's more family-oriented. They care about every employee and the employees' families. As far as advancement or learning new things, there's always room for that. The bonus is phenomenal, but just like the 401k and all the other benefits that they offer, it's absolutely great. It's a great place to work.
Name is Jake Cohen. I've been working for the Material Works for 19 years, currently as a maintenance tech. My favorite thing is the people I work with. I mean, the other jobs I've worked, when you get in a hot factory and stuff, tensions get high, stuff happens, and I've never really had that problem at the Material Works. It's always been really easy to get along with everybody. It's a second home, honestly. I started as a bander, and I moved my way up to QC, then operate, then move over to a different line. I mean, that's the nice thing. It's very open. You can move almost anywhere, do whatever you want. TMW seems to really care about their workers, not just at work, but also outside of work.
My name is Kenny Booker. I work at the Material Works, and this is my son, Cole. I've been the receiving department team leader at the Material Works for the last 20 years. What I like best about my job is the guys that I work with.
I've been at TMW for 4 years, and I'm currently the lead tech 2 on the slitting line. The guys I work with, I get along with pretty much all of them. They're all pretty good guys and work pretty hard.
As a team leader, what I look for in employees is work ethic, dependable, and a team player.
The important thing I've learned is probably just be a hard worker, learn from those around you about other jobs, and always be on time.
I was proud to have my son come to work at the Material Works. That's how much I think about this company.
My name is Ian Volker. I work at the Material Works on T16 as a QC, standing for quality control. We are the people who check the metal, who go through the line. We check the diags, the length, and the width, the thickness, make sure it's the correct material type. The bonus benefits are great at TMW. There's a quarterly bonus and a quality bonus. My favorite thing about TMW is the people that are there. I love working with them. It's fun, but at the same time, you got to get your job done and work hard. TMW's management cares a lot about their people. They take their time to make sure everyone is happy with their position they're working in.
My name's Lainey Leifer. I'm an account executive and I have worked for the Material Works for a little over a year. The best part of my job is that I get to do a wide variety of things every day. I'm not doing the same thing all the time. Once I started at TMW, they did an excellent job training me. They took me around to all the plants, showed me how everything worked, and then I got to do on-the-job training with other account executives in the office. When people ask what it's like working at the Material Works, I always tell them that it's laid back, there's great people that work there, there's a lot of challenges, but they're good challenges and they make you learn more about yourself and about everything.
My name's Kurt Wanderl. I'm a lead operator on a process line. I have been at the Material Works for 25 years now. I started off as a packaging tech. I quickly moved up to a quality control tech, and a few months after that, I became an operator. I think TMW is much better than other jobs I've worked at before. Pay is good, the bonuses are nice, the owners are nice, and it's just a great company to work for because everybody gets along. Yeah, working at TMW is a lot of responsibility because these machines are multi-million-dollar machines, but we have a good team to back us up, and it's very important to put out a quality product. That's what we work for.
TMW is growing and adding to our team. Plans are underway for a third Redbud plant that will increase our daily deliveries of steel by 75%. And our technology division is receiving more orders for our patented equipment, so we need skilled technicians to travel around the world to start up these systems. If you want to work for a winner, check out the opportunities at thematerialworks.com/careers.